Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Howard's World, I'm going to show you what it's like in summer when I have to juggle work, my social life, and more work, I guess, you see me? So, quick update, you'll see in a video, not now because I had to wait until the project releases to drop that video, but you'll see in a video, probably like August, mid-August, where I'm helping with this production. I'm a part of this. It's hard to explain because I can't give away too much of it. However, just look out for part 2 of this video basically, right? And I'll be showing you guys what I've been up to, you know, why I've been kind of MIA, why I've been really busy, etc, 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 etc. I feel like this is really dark and I'm sorry guys, but I'm driving. So yeah, this video is sponsored by Howard Chambers. That's me. Anyways, I'll be showing you guys a weekend in my summer life, and the other one will just be me showing you the production and whatever. Today's a big day at work. I have 3 documents I need to show my boss. My bossy boss, nice lady, pick up herself. After work, I have to go to a party. You see me? I know I'm gonna be tired, but I'm gamed because outside I keep and my mask up and going party. I enjoy myself and so. And tomorrow is a big day because of the production thing I was telling you about, which I can't explain because lots of legalities, you know. Stick around, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Soon come. Really nervous because I suppose I don't do a good job, you know. I feel like I do a really good job, so I'm not even worried about that, but I'm just nervous because somebody will see your work and see what's in your brain and see how you think, how you write, you know. So besides that though, I'm good. Read the project I'm working on. I just made some calls, get some stuff started for tomorrow. For later, I just got Askia because naturally in the room. Askia, the dogs over there, you see me? Alex is supposed to come too. Yeah, I met Decon, yeah. I think Decon I got it too. So it's supposed to be fun tonight. Everybody, good evening. Work done. My boss never get busy with something, so that means that I'm still fretting because I'm gonna have to give her Monday, and that's like when we get more time, that means the apple will be perfect. Stress out. Anyways, we know me talk fast. Sorry about that. My hair looks a mess right now. I'm gonna link Askia, Alex. I don't know if Quan still come, but hey, we'll see. Vibes, guys. Friday continues. So guys, tell you, Askia go there. Alexa drives, so me meet him. But we late? I don't know. On time. Like I taxi. I don't know. So we get gas. You know, say we're not gonna do one, so I get tank full up now. I say talk it.
Yes, team. So we are push out earlier now for meet up with the crew and thing, you know. You know the vibe, you know, AC we are born right through.
Oh, Decon now come, you know. Forgot to tell them. Decon now come, guys. Decon now. This doesn't boy just say AC we are born right through. Decon now come, guys. He might go somewhere else. Oh, he might go. Jamaica. What's the name? That's the pronunciation?
Oh, I didn't tell them.
Jamaica. Alright, pronounce it down below if it's Jamaica. I think that's the pronunciation. But him now forward. So if I see him in the night, if I see him in the night, you guys will know. However, we're on the road. We're trying to go on the toll so we can reach fast before Alex. Not a race, but we need to reach before Alex. No!
And just tell me in the comments who shirt look better, you know? Thank you.
Wow. But the lighting about it, you know? The truck lighting, I give you lighting.
This is a mechanical shit.
Askia, you're gonna pay the toll now. You know you're gonna pay the toll though. Yo, some man mean is girls. Hear me I say, if a man a go out with you and them a big mean, take a taxi go home. You see me? Take a taxi go home. If he might be mean, don't save him self-esteem. Dog. We up on a roll, bro. We up on a roll, dog. We up on a roll. You know, say I have money. You know you can go like I mean money. You know, see everything over there. So they can dress up so I'm broke. Man, move from me, man. But I run the tool, but you know that go. Hello, miss. How are you doing this fine night? She don't really know it. You tired? Nice, miss. Thank you. You alright? Boom! Alex just reached when the vibes just kick up. Dog, I'm trying to vlog it, but you know it's gonna be hard, dog.
You gonna vlog inside?
No, not inside, but I was trying to vlog the experience for the weekend, dog, but you know it's gonna be hard. Anyways, hail them.
Why free?
Alright. Let the vlog know that we could have video the party, bro. But we outside though. We outside. Oscar.
Yo, life is good.
Turn this shit, bro. Hey yo,
Life is good.
we outside.
Know that shit?
We outside.
Know that shit?
Yes, sir. Forward. Lock that up, look at nobody else. Guys, I know I'm probably going to regret shooting this, but we're just reaching vibes. I get some rest because tomorrow is a busy day. Beer vibes. I probably hear some clips from it, but I'm not sure yet, isn't me? But it was just a really fun night.
Just know that I love you, okay?
Who are you talking to?
Oh no.
But we're going to bed because I wake up 4 o'clock and it's currently what? 12 o'clock, right? Minutes to 12. So I wake up 4 o'clock and it's going to be early morning. What time gas station open? Like 6 o'clock?
I would say 7.
God damn.
No, that's up. But we have enough for each.
Anyways, tell them to say, yo guys, good night.
I love you.
And just like that, guys. Oh, shoot. And just like that, guys, after a night of coming in, after hours, you wake up 4 o'clock in the morning to go do work. Because even though you're going to party, you have to party responsibly. Because you have responsibilities in the morning. So it is currently 4:36. I'm on my way to the production. Big up Askia one time again for being here. I hope I don't leave anything. If you made this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said tell a friend. Head the comb. These are the rides you probably ever see me. But big up on yourself.
No, just know that I still love you, okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
We're on the road. It's currently 4:44. Me and Askia need gas and there is no gas station open right now, but we'll survive, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll survive. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning.
It is 5:21. We still not get gas, but hey, we outside.
Life is good.
We outside.
Life is good.
Yo, I don't know where them come from, you know. But the rat them in a half a tree. Bob, dog. So alright, so I'm a serious little post me I watch I run. I wait for somebody, one of the dancers. But this York Plaza, York Plaza. So if you come from York Plaza, look up yourself, the hometown. I'm really tired, guys. So just a while ago, me I asked yourself hungry. And in no time, Bob Marley and the 3 Little Birds come. I just genuinely feel like say a sign. Damn. Back send for birthday. Hey guys, I just realized I really missed having my hair like this. Like a long time ago outside now, I've missed having my hair like this, you see me? Last night was so cool. We took off our mask when we want to snap, because we had on our mask the entire time, but we take them off when we are snap, you know? And I feel like when we decide to take them off, at the same time everybody take off for them one. You know what I mean? So like me shout out, me I go snap and I party and everybody take off for them one as me take off mine. So if you see any images, just understand that that's what happened. Your side. Also, if you see me now want to snap, tell them delete it, not me. Tell them delete it. If you see me not snap at all, just tell them delete it. Tell them say Howard does not approve of you posting him in this manner. I didn't do it willingly.
I'm hungry, I know still.
Ever hungry, man.
Comment and tell him the truth. I'm not always hungry.
Because you probably just done it. That's where you go?
Yeah, man, say the shape.
Where you want to go? Lead. We're doing dance lessons, why ask you? 1, 2, 3. General. Guys, him reach, so. Him reach, so we wrap up the video. But I do have vlog. Can you hear the vlog?
Yeah, man, the general them reach, you know.
Alright.
Zion with the Lions.
Boom!
Zion with the Lions.
Hey guys, Aski and I are here. We're the only people right now in this shot, as you can see. However, there are a lot of persons here. They're just not with us right now. The sand is a rough walk. Why am I talking like this? The sand is a rough walk, and it's really hard. But I'm carrying my case. No free promo. I'm carrying my case of liquid juice. That sounds stupid, brother. May I post the same way, you know? I carry on the juice then, brother. Me you know, work out on him something there. Right now, me just feel very... Remember some of my breath last night, you know? I'm talking myself right now, but I'm tired. I just feel like, say, this is how it starts. Like, when you're mad, this is how it starts. You start talk to yourself, and you start see things. Probably even up on the beach right now. It's probably an illusion and shit. You get me? But, like... Alright, I'm done. I'm ready.
I'm a director for you.
Yeah, I'm a director for you. Alright, bet. Cool. Alright, guys, so we're here and the setup. I also get everything ready. Everybody get prepared and gamed and stuff. Ask guys here. Alright, if you can't hear me, just voice this over. Got the glues and stuff. Yo, when you get a rake? Womp, womp, womp. Eh? Yeah, the stone one them thing them are clear. So yeah guys, how it's going to work now, so soon forward. Just draw out it first. Oh, that's how you do with your foot? How are you this morning, Fujo? Yeah. Man at work. Len, I don't like when you look stressed out, dog. How are you, Askia?
Alright, so help all the stones within this, just clear them out.
So clearing out the stones, guys. Alright.
This is all fake, right?
You want to be very small one, you know?
They need to catch dirt, dog. Get the last night when he dropped, brother?
We soon know.
It
It was a vibe.
I don't know why everywhere I go somewhere I take off my shirt. But I'm dead for hungry. Aski, you hungry, Aski? Yeah man. Hungry dog. It's kind of therapeutic. Aski, can I do it? This is for a vlog. Do you want to talk to them?
Yes. So Howard is my assistant.
Let's hope they can hear you. Let's go.
So Howard is my production assistant. There are days when I want to kill him, but I'm good with it. So, you know, you're going to get
How have I been doing on the job?
Yeah, he's good. He's good.
You remember when you almost like cut me short?
Yeah, I almost cut him short, but you know, he got around and dealing with the dancers in terms of how he deal with people. Yeah, he can get some
Absolute people skills.
Yes.
You heard it here first, guys. Howard has good people skills. Let's go. So pick up Howard's real quick.
Howard's work.
Guys, you might be wondering why I'm in the bush, but I left my suppose all the way over there and the sun is really hot. So I'm really not doing that right now. But yeah, the shoot is wrapping up. So guys, I got Guineas, so I'm alright. The man them get Guineas, so the man them alright. This is the first thing I'm eating from day. And I remember I woke up at 4 o'clock. What time is it now, Askia? 11:25. It's now 11:25. And this is the first thing I've had from day. So I feel good. No, I'm not nothing from morning. What me from morning? Tell me what me from morning.
Juice.
Oh, the Gatorade. Besides that. And that's the first thing I ate from day. Besides that, the Gatorade. Exactly. We've been outside. Big up Howard's real quick.
Yo, Leroy Smith representing for Howard's World TV. Like,
Yeah.
share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your mother, friend,
Yeah.
tell your father, other friend. You don't know the thing.
Tell everybody.
So, yes, it.
Tell everybody. Guys, so that's a wrap. That's a wrap, everyone. That's a wrap. We're getting ready to leave said location. The director of this piece is, you know, being one of the last to leave the scene, as he's the first here. So guys, I'm genuinely really tired. The weekend, me ask you there naturally. We are head back home. We come from the beach. The weekend was a vibe, as you can see. I think I'm gonna take me out of tomorrow. Like, me can't manage it. You out tomorrow, ask ya? You out tomorrow?
God spare my life.
Me, true. But I'm not tomorrow. I'm really tired. So like, I guess this is the end of the weekend vlog. I'll let you guys know when we reach home and if me don't else today or if me don't tomorrow. Gonna see. But for now, thank you for coming along with me for the weekend. You see, say sometimes boy I have to just juggle work, then party, then work again, which is like other work. Cause food have to eat, money have to make, and fun have to have. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. For now, me God.